Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix voice service unavailable in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on PC. So let's start, but before we go, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So, this voice service unavailable error message in Call of Duty, it comes during online or multiplayer gaming. This issue is often caused by misconfigured audio settings or multi-functioning audio drivers on your computer, or even incorrect input and output devices selected in the game settings. So let's try to solve this error. The first thing you have to do is to enable the voice chat. Just open the game on your PC and then navigate to settings menu by clicking on this gear icon on the top right corner. After that, from the settings, choose audio, then enable or turn on this voice chat option, and then apply the change. If the problem didn't fix, let's try the second solution by checking the voice chat settings. After opening the game on your computer, click again on settings, and then go to audio. Then on the voice chat output device, make sure it's phone's high definition audio device. Select your output audio device. After doing so, under the microphone settings, ensure the game is using the correct microphone input device. By doing so, all you need is to restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.